So I just wanted to come in today to see what you've been doing for our marketing. We've spent a lot of money this month and, well, we're not really seeing any results. Right, let me give you a short presentation. This is your business. Yeah, I can see that. It says your business. That's my business, so okay. And these are your customers. Yep, I can see that too. It literally says your customers. And what we're going to do is get your customers to your business, right? Okay, but how exactly are you going to do that? SEO. What exactly is SEO? Seriously. Important office stuff. Seriously important office stuff. Important starts with an I. Yeah, right. I is for internet. Yeah, internet. See? Internet. From here to here. I can't do this.
1 million, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion times later.
Internet? Your company deserves better marketing. BizzBuzz AI combines powerful AI with real marketing experts to deliver campaigns that actually work.